The Dreame X40 Ultra delivers powerful vacuuming and smart mopping with advanced AI navigation. Its self-cleaning dock handles maintenance automatically for a hands-free cleaning experience. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, mop pad, power cord, cleaning solution, dust bag, cleaning tool, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Dreame X40 Ultra, download the Dreame Home app and scan the QR code located on the robot vacuum. Place the robot on the docking station, then press and hold the Home and Spot Clean buttons to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once paired, check for and install any available firmware updates, which may take several minutes to complete. Before creating a map, remove obstacles and block off any areas you do not want the robot to enter. Finally, select Start Mapping in the app, and the robot will automatically explore your home and generate a detailed floor map. How to use? To use the Dreame X40 Ultra, first ensure the robot is fully assembled with mop pads attached, water tank filled, and dustbin correctly installed. Place it on a flat surface in front of the docking station with enough clear space for smooth movement. Press the power button to turn on the robot, then select the desired cleaning mode using the on-device controls such as full cleaning, spot cleaning, or returning to the dock. Start the cleaning cycle, and the robot will automatically begin vacuuming and mopping based on the selected mode. Maintenance. The Dreame X40 Ultra performs strong real-world cleaning, collecting large amounts of dust and debris, with the dust bag needing replacement every few months for best performance. Regular maintenance of the filter, water tank, and detergent system is important to avoid clogging and odors. The docking station should be cleaned periodically, especially the washboard area, to keep mop washing efficient. Key parts like the roller brush, wheels, and sensors should be checked and cleaned to prevent hair and dust buildup. Careful handling of sensitive components ensures long-term reliability and smooth operation. Smart features? Delivers powerful 12,000 Pascal suction that effectively lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Ensures deep cleaning performance by reaching embedded dirt for a more thorough and consistent clean. Extends outward to reach corners, edges, and tight spaces for more complete floor coverage. Improves cleaning efficiency by capturing dust and stains in areas that are usually hard to reach. Uses advanced AI cameras and sensors to detect and avoid obstacles like shoes, cables, and furniture. Helps the robot navigate smoothly and safely while reducing collisions and cleaning interruptions. Automatically lifts the mop when detecting carpets to prevent wetting and ensure proper vacuum-only cleaning. Adapts between mopping and vacuuming modes for smooth and efficient floor care across different surfaces. Extends and swings the mop to reach under furniture, edges, and low clearance areas for better coverage. Improves deep cleaning performance by targeting hidden stains and hard-to-reach spots more effectively. Automatically empties dust, washes mop pads, and dries them for a fully hands-free cleaning experience. Also refills clean water and maintains the system to reduce manual maintenance and keep performance consistent. Creates accurate maps of your home for efficient and organized cleaning routes. Allows the robot to clean multiple rooms systematically while avoiding missed spots and repeated paths. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.